To bring in cash web-based messing around, the primary thing you need to do is open a record with a gaming site or application. There are many such destinations and applications recorded in this article. Likewise, you ought to have a history with one of the famous installment stages to have the option to accept your installments when due. So here we are with a few fantastic tips on how to earn money while doing what you love, playing games. Before we start, please like, share, and comment on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. By and large, you should download and introduce the game's applications. You additionally need to guarantee that all systems of enrollment are agreed upon. A portion of the gaming sites or applications has various standards and guidelines. Holding fast to them is vital, so kindly don't skip perusing them before enrolling. Whether you're an iPhone client or an Android client, there are explicit guidelines for downloading and introducing the game documents to your cell phones, as indicated by the requests of the working framework. Enlistment for most web-based games is ordinarily with and/or affirmation of your email address. Obviously, you should utilize a genuine email address, particularly one that you can check consistently. It will be used to affirm your enrollment and presumably get back to other significant subtleties later on. To bring in cash from messing around with a large portion of these applications, you need to procure focuses on coins from your plays. For a significant number of them, these prizes can later be converted into cash and paid out to you directly from your installment stage. Also, indeed, a considerable lot of them will pay straightforwardly to your PayPal account. No, you don't ordinarily need to pay to join veritable sites or potential applications. They usually are totally allowed to enter and begin bringing in focuses or even money with them. Number 10. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is quite possibly the most famous destination for bringing money back on shopping, paid online overviews, and fulfilling specific undertakings. They likewise pay you for messing around in your telephone because of their organization with GSN games. You mess around and acquire Swagbucks while finishing specific jobs. You would then be able to reclaim your focuses to have procured or exchange them for gift vouchers and even get your money paid out to you straightforwardly to your PayPal account. You can likewise get your money to use on your Target, Amazon, and so on shopping. See our itemized Swagbucks survey for every one of the reasons why they can be trusted. The Swagbucks application is excellent and would promptly assist with acquiring simple SBs. An everyday accumulation of these focuses would ultimately add up to enormous profits. Swagbucks likewise pays you only for different exercises, past messing around. They even compensate you for watching various recordings on YouTube. They likewise pay when you perform different exercises like taking reviews, writing the web, and in all honesty, only for shopping on the web. Number 9. Earning Station. This is another excellent webpage that genuinely pays you for doing bunches of things on the internet, including messing around. Explicitly, they pay you for messing around on the web or your telephone, watching fun and different recordings on the web, shopping on the web on Groupon, and taking studies. You can also get your prizes paid out on Amazon, Visa, or even straightforwardly through PayPal. Also, what's most amazing with Earning Station is that you can get $10 shortly when you join and complete their $10 page. Exceptionally basic and straightforward. Number 8. Tap Cash Rewards. This is an application that can reimburse you only for downloading and running matchups on your cell phone. All you need to do is introduce this application on your gadget, download the most recent and most sizzling games with it, and complete proposals by running the downloaded games to procure credits. You can recover your credits for unconditional present cards or even get your money paid set on the right track to your PayPal account. It can even resemble getting a lump sum paying if you won't ordinarily mess around all alone for no reason in particular. You play what you love and you acquire something from your endeavors latently. Number 7. Cricket. Cricket is one of the applications that pay you only for utilizing it to mess around. With this, you can get paid by playing or turning wheel games. You play to win cash as you turn a wheel given by this stage. The wheel turn accompanies colors, blue or yellow, which you can look over. In addition, when you turn a wheel, you win cash from 5 pennies up to $10, and you likewise can get all the free twists if you run out of free twists. If you observe a few advertisements with this application, you will get more twists. As you aggregate up to $25 in your record, you would then be able to cash out using PayPal. Cricket likewise offers you the chance to receive constant monetary rewards up to $100. More twist codes can likewise be acquired on the off chance that you follow and share insights concerning Cricket makers via online media. Number 6. Cash Pirate. Cash Pirate is an application you can introduce and use to bring in cash for messing around. You procure for each game or action you complete with this application. Different exercises incorporate cooperating with promotions, downloading and giving a shot to other applications and games, observing short recordings, and finishing quick reviews. The focuses or coins you acquire by messing around with Cash Pirate can be changed over for PayPal Cash. You can cash out when you arrive at least 25,000 coins or $2.50. This infers that for every 1,000 coins you procure, you will get $1. Along these lines, you will require somewhere around 5,000 coins to cash out $5 in Bitcoin. Number 5. Space Bitcoins. In this game, you will likely obliterate space rocks. In the wake of finishing the mission you are given, you will then be able to guarantee your Bitcoin and post to your Bitcoin wallet in a split second. XAPO creates this application and can guarantee multiple times at regular intervals and twofold your prizes on the off chance you'd like. All installments are additionally made in a split second to XAPO. Number 4. PCH Games. PCH Games is a site that offers individuals the chance to bring in cash for messing around without managing responsibilities on the web. With this stage, you will get moment token matches and dominant games, which will permit you to win monetary rewards up to $1,000. Extra badge of around 2,500 will be offered to you if you play no less than one game each day for a multi-week. The tokens you get from this site can be traded for gift vouchers, sweepstakes sections where you can win $1,000 and merchandise. Number 3. Exodus 3000. Exodus 3000 is also a site where you can bring in cash. You can play this game and amass virtual money or Mars dollars, which you can cash out for genuine money. You can collect Mars dollars or MD3 by mining volcanoes, assaulting other gamers, and looking through ruins. The reason for the game depends on endurance, which you should embrace in future seasons for a long time from now when a disastrous occasion has obliterated the Earth. You should endure and get supported by gathering Mars dollars and minerals from your headquarters. The base Mars dollars you should cash out is 300,000 MD, which is equivalent to $20. Since 2006, Exodus 3000 has paid out more than $65,000 in real money to individuals. Number 2. LaLaLoot. LaLaLoot is another site you can join for nothing and bring in cash while messing around. You can exploit their free virtual gambling machines and get paid monetary rewards. On the off chance that you play other easygoing games, you likewise get paid financial dividends. With LaLaLoot, you acquire tokens for messing around. You also procure tickets for being another individual, partaking in overviews and finishing different jobs related to the patrons and publicists of LaLaLoot. For the initial 5 days you join LaLaLoot, you will procure tokens that can, in any case, be utilized to win some money. This site works like CashDuzzle, where you can use the tickets procured to qualify for games that will help you win monetary rewards. You can cash out using a check or Visa gift voucher on the off chance that your profit has reached $20. On a routine basis, LaLaLoot pays out $1,000 in real money prizes. And at number 1, Second Life. Second Life is a site where you can bring in genuine money by playing the round of doing an anecdotal business. You can set up and run an assortment of virtual companies through purchasing and selling at a retail location. Selling and leasing genuine domains, making encounters like instructive organizations, dance clubs, diversion parks, and so on. You will procure virtual dollars called Linden Dollars when you play this game and run your business fruitfully. Very much like Survey Junkie, the Linden Dollars you bring in can be traded for genuine money. You can likewise bring in cash by turning into a salesperson for other people. So fam, this was it for today. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for all those who are new here.